The next several videos are going to be a lot of fun because we're going to look at some pretty simple and easy to use functions for text inside of Excel, but these are things that really, if you know that they're there, you're going to use them a whole lot. So I want to show you what they are, some of the more common ones, and how to use them. The first one that we're going to start with is actually three: the left, right, and middle functions. What they allow us to do is extract data from certain portions of a text string. And let's go ahead. I'm going to do the left function here. I'll do the mid function there. And I'll do the right function there. And I don't know if I'll get all three of these in one video. It depends on how easy it is to explain everything to you. But the left function basically allows us to grab, it's geared towards, if you're grabbing text from the left side, the leftmost edge of another text string, and you just want to read a certain amount of characters. So we'll do left, and then you say, what is your input text? I'm just going to do B4, which is where I have the title to the course, and then a comma, and then how many characters do you want to read? If I do 6, and then close the parenthesis and hit the enter key, you can see that I get 6 characters from the leftmost edge. The mid function is very similar, except it's got an extra parameter because mid, you might guess, stands for middle. So here we specify a starting and stopping point to read those characters. So here we do mid, and again, we're going to do the same block of text, comma. Since I read 6 characters last time, I'll start at number 7, and I will read, let's do 5 characters and a closing parenthesis. So what I've done here is I've gone to B4. I'm going to start at position number 7, and I'm going to read 5 characters. And so there we go. The space is counted as a character, by the way, so that's what you are seeing there. Even though there's only 4 characters, the 5th character is a space. So we go through here, we find position number 7, and read 5 characters, and that's what we get. Now the right function, you're probably able to guess what this is going to do, right? Well, it starts on the right edge of the text, and it reads however many characters you specify to the left. So equals right, opening parenthesis, and let's grab that same block of text, hit the comma, and I'm just going to guess on this. Let's do 8, closing parenthesis, and I'm off apparently because the goal here is I wanted to try to read the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is, let's go back. It looks like I need to go, let's try 12 and see what that gives us. Okay, it looks like one more. I almost had it. I think one more character is going to get it for us. All right, there we go. So we have read the entire block now, Fast Track to Excel, by breaking it up into the left, mid, and right. And of course, you can find tons of things to use that on when you're breaking up, when you're dealing with text. Okay, but that's those 3 functions. Up next, we will use concatenate.